how to turn off or disable game overlay in Discord. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily disable your game overlay on Discord. So let's get started. So first just head over to your Discord application or Discord browser. So this option is only available in Discord application, so I prefer you to go to Discord application. So for now, I'll simply show you from the browser version. And once you open up your Discord application, just click on this user settings. And once you click on user settings, just scroll all the way down under this left section, under this app settings, you should see the option related to game overlay. So just tap on that. Once you tap on that, you can just disable this option that is enable in-game overlay. You can so just disable it if it's turned on, and you can always come back to the same option to simply enable this in-game overlay. Once you're satisfied, you can always come back and disable it once again. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.